Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to Backward channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope I will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy life this Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet cardigan designs winter collection for women and girls. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to channel in the first time. You can also go to the market about the designs. You can get my videos it's very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend and inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like or you want to watch fashion and videos or if you guys want to you can take a screenshot from my videos and share to someone else and you can make similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and if you have such colors offer and today videos are amazing videos and lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion letter designs. Let's go inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.